Are you ready to step into the spotlight, learn how to overcome your fear of the camera, and share your message with the world? Join us for Rock the Camera VIP. You'll be guided through the entire experience by Melissa Plaskoff, co-founder of On Air Media. Deliver your message with complete authenticity with Tiffany Hendra, an empowerment and media coach with over 25 years experience as a TV personality. Learn from the best in the business with celebrity makeup artist Daniela Bell. She's an entrepreneur, a microblading specialist, and an on-air expert in runway and makeup trends. Daniela is passionate about empowering women through beauty. Celebrity wardrobe stylist Alex Cohen helps women shine from the red carpet to the runway, to events and important business meetings by boosting their confidence and elevating their style.
I feel so empowered right now. I came in and you helped me with my makeup, taught me a couple of makeup tricks. And then I met with Alex. Alex showed me how to style my body, how to be professional for my career. And I met with Tiffany, and Tiffany was able to give me that confidence boost, told me about how to breathe. The difference on how you stand and how you think really does give you that confidence to just go out there and do your job and be a boss babe.
Yes!
Empowered,
creative,
confident,
beautiful.
This is your time to shine. Join us for Rock the Camera VIP, a 2-day total immersion workshop to help you elevate your brand and business with the power of video.